Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
We only hit 42 degrees today in Medford for high temperature. Hard to believe that a year ago we hit 72 degrees in Medford. So what a difference a year makes. 34 degrees right now. We are still tracking some snow showers in the region. Here's a look at snowfall amounts from this morning. Reports that came in Ashland, Wairika, 7 inches being reported, 20 inches up at Crater Lake, Eagle Point 3 inches, 2.3 inches officially at the Medford Airport, and 4.5 inches at Shady Cove. Here's a look at the satellite and radar imagery tracking some snow to the north. Up towards the Sams Valley area. That's going to move into Eagle Point, a burst of some moderate to heavier snow. And now that we're getting past sunset, it does look like we will be seeing some of those roads getting a little bit slippery again. It's going to be easier for the snow to start to stick on some of these roads in lower elevations as well as temperatures tumble. So just watch out for some slippery and icy spots across much of the region tonight. Snow starting to pick up between about Doris and Grass Lake along 97, and then east of the Cascades, tracking some very isolated spotty snow showers. Going to watch this batch of snow heading in the general direction of Klamath Falls. You can see a little bit more in the way of widespread activity near the coast and coastal mountains. Temperatures were down to 27 in Klamath Falls, 34 in Medford, 36 for you folks in Grants Pass. We're down to 29 in Mount Shasta and 36 degrees in Brookings. We could see even some flakes mix in near the coast. A winter weather advisory in place above 1,000 feet for the west side in Jackson, Josephine, and Curry counties. Just with the lingering snow showers, could be enough to at least produce some additional snowfall. Fairly light amounts overall, most spots maybe a trace to an inch, but locally we could see some higher totals up to 1 to 3 inches of snow through the night, especially along parts of the Cascades and in the coastal mountains. But it'll be enough just to make things a little bit slippery out there into tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning. Snow showers will really start to taper off later on tonight. Down to 10 in Klamath Falls, 7 tonight in Lakeview. We'll get down to 18 in Mount Shasta and 27 degrees in Medford. A freeze warning in place for the coast. Going to be a cold night throughout southern Oregon and northern California. Tomorrow, pretty chilly in the afternoon. It will be a little bit warmer than today, but highs stuck in the 30s and 40s for most of the region. Skies will turn partly cloudy to mostly sunny as we go throughout the day. Another storm system on Thursday for our west side valleys and the Rogue Valley, but at this point doesn't look too terribly significant. Temperatures will stay chilly as we head into March. We do have a lot of snow at the Mount Shasta Ski Park. That top of Douglas Base now up over 130 inches, and we'll get maybe a slight chance for a snow shower later Thursday, but not going to see much for Northern California and the east side. More widespread snow is expected though this weekend. Here's a look at Stormcast. Snow showers wrapping up overnight. Tomorrow, a quiet day on tap. As we move into Thursday, we'll get some rain for the coast by later Thursday morning. Snow developing along the Cascades, and a few snow showers making it into the east side and into Siskiyou County, but most of the impactful snowfall up to a few inches or so will be along the Cascades and Siskiyous. Snow levels will drop from about 3,000 feet down to 1,000 feet into Thursday night. And then taking a look at your travel forecast, biggest impacts will be along the Cascades, but then Saturday we got another storm system that we're watching. That one could bring much more widespread travel impacts to southern Oregon and northern California. Mostly sunny for the coast tomorrow, rain likely on your Thursday. Northern California pretty quiet overall for the rest of the week, but this weekend is looking snowy, potentially some pretty heavy snowfall into the Mount Shasta area and some western portions of Siskiyou County. The Klamath Basin, the best chance for more measurable snowfall will be this upcoming weekend. Temperatures staying pretty cold through the first 7 days of March. The mountains will see some more snow on Thursday, up to a few inches along the Cascades, but some heavier snow on tap for this weekend. And in the Rogue Valley, some rain and snow showers possible on Thursday, but we'll have to keep a closer eye on this weekend for more significant travel impacts. Looks to stay pretty active even into next week.